Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to quickly unfriend people on Roblox without doing it one by one. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. If you check your friends list, you'll notice there's no direct option to remove multiple friends at once. You have to click on each profile and unfriend them individually. But don't worry, I've got a much easier way for you. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Just search for it on Google and click the first link. Now, in the search bar, type Roblox Friend Removal button and look for the extension with that name. It's completely safe, so go ahead and click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Once it's installed, go back to the Roblox website and refresh the page. Now, go to your friends list and you'll see a small button next to each friend. Simply click on that button, and just like that, they'll be removed from your list instantly. You can repeat this process for as many friends as you want. And now, I have no friends left. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.